Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So many students were asking me how to create a Zoom account and how to use it. So this is how you can create an account on Zoom. First of all, you will download the app like this. Put Zoom app in the Play Store, Google Play Store. You will get an app like this, right? Click on this, and here you will get three options: join a meeting, sign up, and sign in. First of all, if you do not have any account on Zoom, so try to make an account first, and then you can join or sign in, right? So your first option should be sign up. You can put your details like your date of birth here. So after putting the details of your date of birth, you will get this page, right? So here you will put your email, then first name, and then last name. So first of all, put your email, Google or whatever, whichever email you are using, right? Then put your first name and then the last name. For example, if your name is uh, Muhammad Ali, right? So you will put your first name as Muhammad, then the last name as Ali, right? If your name is uh, Mr. Tom, so your first name will be Mr. and the last name will be Tom, right? And then the email as well. So when you will put your details, and after putting the details you will click next, then you will get such a page, right? Where you can see that we sent an email to verify your account. So you can check your email and you will get a confirmation mail there, right? So go minimize this app here and go back to your email. You will get an email like this, right? When you will open your inbox, so you will get such an email. Here you can see that it is written that activate account. So you will click on this email, that is activate account, and after clicking on activate account you will get a page like this. Are you signing up on behalf of a school? No, you are not signing up on behalf of school. If you are signing up on behalf of a school, you will of course click yes, but in this case you are signing up on your own behalf, right? So you will click no, then continue. So after rechecking your first and last name, you will put your password here, right? So you put your password, then again you confirm this password, and then you will click continue. Your password should follow these things, like, so you can click on I'm not robot in this page, and you can simply skip this step, right? And here you can go to your account and you can start your meeting straight away. So this is your account is ready. Now once your account is ready, you can click on sign in. So you will so I have entered my email and password. I will just click on sign in now. So here now I have completed the account, the process, right? So if you want to schedule a meeting and host a meeting, you can go on schedule and you can enter the topic of the meeting at the top, then date and from to etc, that this is time, and then as you are Pakistani you will select this time. If it is not selected already, right, you will you are on +5 green according to GMT or Greenwich Mean Time. So this is your zone, right? You will click on this, and sorry, so this Islamabad, Karachi, this is your time, right? So select this one. Then you can add some more details, like go to advanced options. If you want to record the meeting, click this, automatically record the meeting. So you can check the other options as well. So once you have selected or scheduled a meeting, so if I want to schedule a meeting today, like this, today 27th August, right? So I can first of all check the time, right? It's 9 p.m. from 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It's okay, right? So what will I do next? So these are the other details you can check here, and after that you will click on done. So then here So you can share the link via your Gmail as well. So however, in this form you will get kind of you will get the details of your meeting, right? So you can straight away start the meeting now, and you can also invite your other friends through WhatsApp or messages, etc. You can send the link to as many people as you want them to join, right? And you can come back on your home page, and you can get your scheduled meeting in this form. Here you can see that's a government Zoom meeting. Start it, then here you will start the meeting straight away. However, if you just want to join, if you want to conduct a personal meeting, you will go here in this option, that is meetings, and you can just edit some settings here. If you want to record this meeting, you will keep this on, etc. So save this. This is your personal meeting, and you can straight away start this meeting here, right? Here you are the only participant in this meeting, right? So this is all about creating a Zoom account and how to conduct a schedule a meeting on Zoom account. I hope you understood it. If you still have some query or questions, please do ask me in the comments below. Thank you very much.